Welcome back to our video. A private house or cottage is not just a place to live and relax, but also a plot of land that includes various utility rooms on any properties. There are not only gardens but also vegetable garden, which means that storage space for agriculture equipment and finished product is necessary. In this video, we will discuss the different types of old buildings and why they are needed, as well as determining their optional location, appearance, materials, and style for your structure. When deciding on a location for your building, it is important to remember that old buildings associated with strong odors or requiring disposal or substances should be placed as far away from the main house as possible. If the building is for household concerns such as recreation or cooking, it can be located closer to the residential structure. The choice of location for a farm building or complex will determine the appearance, color, and shape of the structure, especially if your house has a unique style. The old building should complement, contradict the style of your house. Ideally, it's best to use the same building material for the construction of the old building as the main house. Wood is an expensive, environmentally friendly material that needs high quality processing, while metal is durable but needs periodic painting to prevent corrosion. Ready-made structures made of plastic foam or gas block materials allow for creating warm workshop or shades. Brick is a durable material with excellent performance characteristics, but it's costly. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.